By the end of this video, you'll know all the steps involved in getting your website into ChatGPT. My name is Connor and I've had more than 10 million people visit my portfolio of websites. So take out a notebook and take some notes, or check out my AI SEO Starter Kit, which I'll leave in a link in the description down below. Let's get started. In case you don't know, to use ChatGPT search, all you need to do is click the search button and type in your query. That brings up a chat result with information taken from all over the web. But how does this actually work? Well, the first thing we need to think about is how search works with ChatGPT. ChatGPT's results are different from Bing and Google. At the moment, ChatGPT is using the Bing search engine to retrieve information from websites. So that goes without saying, if you rank high on Bing, you will generally rank high on ChatGPT. You might think that Bing works the same way as Google, but that hasn't been exactly true over the past number of years. Sure, there are some similarities around brand and authority, but the way that Bing ranks content is quite different to Google. Google has changed its algorithm a lot over the past few years, and I mean a lot. What you need to know is that you could have the best content in the world, but you won't outrank websites like YouTube or Reddit. So Google uses engagement like clicks, time on page to rank websites. So you can see why video platforms rank well on Google. Bing, on the other hand, just tries to find the best answer to the question, and that's what we'll focus on next. When you're writing content for Bing, you want to be clear and direct with your answers. Computers understand language through something called natural language processing, or NLP for short. But you don't need to fully understand or be an expert in NLP to get started. You just want to train yourself to write well and make things clear for your audience. Let's look at this example. NLP-Friendly. Succulents thrive in environments with bright, indirect sunlight. NLP-Unfriendly. For succulents, it might be better to put them somewhere that gets light but not too much direct light. As you can see, the first example makes it easy for a computer to understand. The first example is direct and clear. Subject, verb, object. The second, it's vague, wordy, and doesn't inspire confidence. And this is why this all matters. NLP is the backbone of any search engine. It helps Bing understand the intent behind the search. For example, if you type in Jaguar, are you looking for the animal or the car brand? Well, NLP will help figure that out. It also helps Google and Bing to understand the 15% of daily search queries they've never seen before. Think about it, millions of brand new questions every single day, and Google has to make sense of them. Let's think about how you can benefit from NLP. What are your customers actually searching for? Let's show you a good example from the web. Can you see how this directly answers the question? This website is actually outranking much higher authority websites because of this direct answer. So we want to get a clear message, and we want to post that on our website and spread that message across the web. So why does ChatGPT choose to add some brands and ignore others? Think about it quite simply. ChatGPT doesn't know the answer to anything really, so it's scouring the internet to try to find the answers. The more references that point to something being true, the more likely that ChatGPT will think it's true. So what you need is for your brand to be mentioned in different places across the web. Here are 5 ways you can do this. Number 1, you can pay influencers to talk about you. Paying influencers can be a great way to get exposure to your brand. Find people who are already posting content in your niche and partner with them. Trust me, smaller creators would love to partner with you. Number 2, pay websites to mention you. You can also pay websites to link to you, but I don't really recommend that anymore. Google also looks at brand mentions, and links often cost quite a lot of money. Number 3, you could also start an affiliate marketing program. That way, content creators will naturally start selling your product, and all you have to do is pay them a commission when they make a sale, not before. These content creators will often mention your brand around the web, on Twitter, on LinkedIn, on their websites, and on YouTube. Number 4, digital PR. Digital PR can be a great way to get your name out there by getting your brand mentioned in an online publication and on social media. Number 5 is to start new websites. The last way is really to start more smaller brands. So small tool websites are simple to make nowadays with AI, and you can have full control over these new websites to link out to your other brands. If you need any help with these, check out the guide that accompanies this video. Another tip to get into ChatGPT is to keep an eye on your analytics and see what type of content is already appearing on ChatGPT. To check this, go to the Pages and Screens report in Google Analytics and set up a filter. Add the dimension session source, match type exactly matches, and type ChatGPT. Now that we know what pages ChatGPT is citing, we can go in and specifically add the content that we want to add to ChatGPT. So that's what we know about getting into ChatGPT for now. Subscribe to the channel because I'm running many tests to find other ways to get my content onto ChatGPT, and I will share them here first when they are successful. Thanks for watching.